सुषुम्नामार्गसञ्चारिण्यै नमः।
Mitraya Namaha. Understand the mysticism of the lower two chakras, the Mooladhara and the Swadhisthana. Any spiritual sadhana and all spiritual sadhanas invoke the basic energies of the Mooladhara and Swadhisthana. The Mooladhara easily catches hold of anger, ego, pride, overconfidence, loose talk, and arrogance, while the Swadhisthana chakra develops high sexual energies through which they fall into the traps of the opposite sex. They are lost. That is the place where many great sadhaks have gone up the ladder and have been swallowed by the serpents. The quick change through this meditation which happens is you can use the lower energies by diverting them towards your Ajna chakra and Vishuddha chakra. They convert into very beautiful, high spiritual energies. Learn how to channel yourself from the Mooladhara and Swadhisthana, the lower chakras of anger, ego and pride, sex and relationships. They can be converted into wonderful, spiritual, soothing, calming energies. Arohana, upgrade meditation for you. Be involved. Mitram Vande Sanchara Guru. Ghrani Surya Aditya Om. Ghrani Surya Aditya Purnanandaya Om. Mitraya Namaha. Arohanam Dhyanamarma Suktam. Welcome to the Arohanam upgrade meditation, the best of all, unique, fresh and dynamic. Do not let the lower chakras dominate you. Let all your efforts do great good to you. Keep your eyes closed and your backbone straight as you touch the tip of your tongue to your palate and sit in a beautiful meditative posture as comfortably as you can. Visualize Lord Surya Narayana in the sky showering his grace upon you. Surya Margam Atishaktivantam Sarvam Suryamayam Jagat. Keep on inhaling and exhaling as you establish a rhythmic breathing. Do not divert your attention and keep a watch upon your backbone, which is glowing like an unbreakable, flexible neon light. Brahmadanda Chalanam Kuru Kuru. Inhale and exhale. Relax every inch and atom, cell and molecule of your body. Feel your entire scalp relaxed, your head relaxed, your forehead relaxed, your ears relaxed, your eyes totally relaxed, your nose and nostrils relaxed, your cheeks relaxed, your lips relaxed, your tongue, your jaws, your teeth, your palate totally relaxed. Keep on inhaling and exhaling. Watch your entire body. Your backbone is glowing like an unbreakable, flexible neon light, and as you breathe in, visualize the sound mentally as so. And as you exhale, visualize the sound as hum. The Ajapa Gayatri mantra, which is connected to your Ajna chakra, is activating your entire life system. Keep on inhaling. Your neck is relaxed. Your throat is relaxed. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your hands are relaxed. Your legs are relaxed. Your stomach is relaxed. Your skin is relaxed. Your ligaments are relaxed. Your skeletal system is relaxed. Your central nervous system is totally relaxed. Your digestive system, your metabolic system, your excretory system, your reproductive system, every inch and atom, cell and molecule is relaxed as you keep on inhaling rhythmically and exhaling rhythmically. Enjoy the silence between the words. Keep a watch upon your entire brain, which is glowing. Your whole brain is glowing. The frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, thalamus, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, cerebellum, brainstem, corpus callosum, medulla oblongata, and your entire brain is glowing and it is 100% active. Keep on inhaling, feel your entire brain glowing bright in golden color. You are very active. You can think perfectly well. No negative thoughts in your mind. You are guiding yourself for the highest good. Inhale and exhale. Your heart is relaxed, your lungs are relaxed, your respiratory system is relaxed, your thymus is relaxed. You do not have any negativity. Your Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraka, Anahata, Vishuddha, Ajna and Sahasrara chakras are expanding and glowing bright. The 7 sheaths of your body are expanding. Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha and Anandamaya Kosha are totally expanding. Inhale and exhale as your body becomes lighter and bright. Visualize the Sanchara Mahayogi Shri 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 Aditya Purnananda Swami projecting bright light from his third eye chakra towards your third eye and see your entire body flashing with the bright lights. You are glowing. Inhale and exhale. Think of your mother and father and mentally touch their feet. Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava. Silence your mind. Do not disturb yourself. Your entire body is on a cleansing mode. Inhale and exhale. From the very beginning, the KS AHR scroller look is activated. Moola Sparsha 3, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5, 1, 1, 8. Activate KS AHR scroller look Moola Sparsha 3, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5, 1, 1, 8. Inhale and exhale. Feel the numerical power penetrating into your sheaths and into your body to clear away all the negativity. Your positivity is totally restored. Keep on inhaling. Just play the video guide and simply allow the mudras to unfold through the Maha Bijakshara Mala mantras that are projected to penetrate into the consciousness levels and the internal planes. Make it a regular habit and experience the clutter clear. Just let my words be an inspiration and motivation to you as you understand the meaning. Keep on inhaling and exhaling as the cleansing happens. Just as children who sing well, dance well, and perform well in the childhood, often making their parents proud and friends envious. The performance gain appreciation and it becomes very difficult to control the games of the Mooladhara Chakra, and they slide into ego, pride and overconfidence. Little sadhana, little upasana, little japam triggers the ego from the Mooladhara Chakra. In order to keep them grounded, parents show anger and often slow them down. They develop hatred and enmity against parents. Anybody trying to guide them appear as villains. It should not happen with a sadhaka. As you listen to my voice, keep on inhaling and exhaling and reflect upon your life system. In youth, the appreciation, applause, and the flattery boosts the negativity of the Swadhisthana Chakra. The more they are being controlled by elders towards a disciplinary behavior, they crave for love, appreciation, attention, and pampering. This is the most dangerous curve. Thus they fall into the traps of the sex chakra, Swadhisthana Chakra, and are lost into false relationships. Their life is shattered. Similarly, the spiritual aspirant, out of extra zeal and curiosity, attempts to explore new sensations and various patterns, thus sliding into the traps of the negative vibes of lower chakras. The negativity holds him from progress. They jump to conclusions through emotional judgment. Prejudiced opinions develop. Mantra upasana without right initiations and proper guru guidance can choke the upper chakras, and the religious conditions further confuse them. Hence, surrender to Guru. Hence, surrender to Guru has become the unique rule and regulation for any and every mantra, tantra and yantra upasana. There are many sadhanas pertaining to Shakteyam which need a close and precise expert guidance. Keep on inhaling and let the KSAHR, all hooks right, scroller nook, Moola Sparsha, activate your inner consciousness. 3, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5, 1, 1, 8. Activate KSAHR, scroller nook, Moola Sparsha. The healing is happening. All you have to do is be like a statue. Just keep on inhaling and exhaling. The tricky factor in Hinduism and Tantra is that there are more don'ts than do's, and every pseudo sadhak or pseudo guru finds fault with others and passes eyebrow comments and craves to keep criticizing others. This is the chakra game which they fail to identify. So much of unwanted information, so much unwanted information and confusing details are available for download. The info further confuses them to search for more complicated stuff. They try Ugra Mahashakti mantra chanting, self-initiated, visit burial grounds in the name of Bhairava cult, and ultimately lost into weird thoughts about spirits and devils. I blow them away. This is Arohana. the powerful mantra tantra dhyana for the highest good to upgrade your life system. Illegitimate relationships, extramarital contacts, vulgarity and greed ruins their chakras and shrinks the consciousness level. Their personal life is messed up. They stay alone. They fail to get along well with their parents. If married, their queer ideologies and words lead them towards a divorce or a brick. They cannot make legitimate earning and suffer from several problems. Talk to them, they make tall talks and behave as walking encyclopedias. Get rid of them, resort to Arohana, upgrade meditation now. Keep on inhaling. The negativities which have choked your Mooladhara chakra and the Swadhisthana chakra shall be diluted and evaporated. Doing so many sadhanas and being initiated wrongly, self-guided practices, no guru guidance can kindle the ego, anger, pride, and you lose your temper. It should be totally controlled if you want to upgrade and utilize all the powers of your unique sadhanas done till now. None of your good sadhanas will be lost, but the scrap will be cleared. Be connected to the Guru Tattva. Any Guru, be connected to the Guru Tattva. Never change the Guru. Guru is not a Vyakti, he is a Shakti. Keep on inhaling. Observe your entire backbone which is glowing like an unbreakable, flexible neon light as you keep on inhaling and exhaling, and allow the mudras to unfold through the Mahabhijakshara Mala mantras that are projected to penetrate into the consciousness levels and the internal planes. Make it a regular habit and experience. The entire clutter clear and your pathway is bright. I activate the KSAHR Scroller Nook Moola Sparsha. 3, 3, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5, 1, 1, 8. Let the numbers roll into you continuously to clear away all the negativities. Keep on inhaling and exhaling the Soham way, the Hamsa Gayatri way. Om Hamsa Hamsaya Vidmahe, Paramahamsaya Dhimahi, Tanno Hamsa Prachodaya. Be like a statue. Every inch and atom, cell and molecule of your body is purified. Do not bother about anything. Just receive the blessings from the sky, the solar energy. Feel the beams penetrating into every inch and atom, cell and molecule of your body, and let the scrap clear. Let all the blockages clear. This is the voice of Keshara Mitra. Tripura Varananda Gajatalata Hayatalata Simhatalata Shakti Sthapayami. Keep on inhaling. Faith answers, be dedicated, surrender to the Guru Tattva. Swadhishthanam Utkilanam Kurukuru. Arohanam Vishuddhapithe. Om Om Klum Hroom Hreem Swaha. This is the most powerful mantra. You can choose this single mantra to be chanted constantly whenever you like, whenever and wherever, with complete love. Feel the energy penetrating into every molecule of your body and clearing away the trash. You will be able to find the bright path for your bright future. You are all alone. You are never controlled by anyone. Inhale and exhale. Keep on inhaling rhythmically. Let your entire body relax. In spite of deep spiritual practice and dedication, if failure occurs, let us upgrade the quotient. Let not our consciousness slide into the dark dungeons unknowingly. This highly powerful mantra-packed meditation creates a broader pathway for the upward channeling. Activate KSAHR Scroller Nook 5, 6, 5, 5, 7, 6, 6, 6, 7, 8, 7, 4, 4, 5, 9, 9. Convert the egoistic energies, overconfident energies, the ruthlessness of talk of your Mooladhara chakra, and the over attraction, vices, intoxication, ailment, structures, negativity is implanted through the Swadhisthana chakra be totally clear. Om Vam Sham Sam Shyam. Convert sexual energies into high spiritual energies. The zeal to involve with the opposite sex, the mind polluted with negative thoughts and vulgar ideas, is the biggest leakage factor for the stoppage of your spiritual progress. Let the Swadhisthana chakra energies be pumped up to your Vishuddha chakra. Let the blue color at your throat be totally bright. Let the Mooladhara chakra energies, the reason for all the ego, be diluted and be pumped up to your Ajna chakra. Keep on inhaling. Activating the KSAHR Scroller Nook once again. 5, 6, 5, 5, 7, 6, 6, 6, 7, 8, 7, 4, 4, 5, 9, 9. Ancient secret activation for the highest good. Arohana. Upgrade meditation. Be in it deep. Do not disturb yourself. Do not come out. Every second there is a beautiful initiation happening. Whenever you hear this voice, you'll be initiated for the highest good, for your prosperity, for your growth, for your riches, for your abundance, for your harmony, and for your love. You will be healthy and wealthy. Trust me, this is the voice of Kesharamitra. Tripura Varananda Gajatalata Hayatalata Arudha Shakti Avahayami. Keep your entire body relaxed. Your backbone is glowing. All the negativities are emitting out of your skin pores in a smoky way. Let all the negativities be flushed out. Keep on inhaling and exhaling. Let your eyes be totally relaxed. Om Kloom Hroom Hreem Swaha. Swadhisthana Utkilanam Kurukuru Arohanam Vishuddha Pithe. Activating KSAHR Scroller Nook Moola Sparsha. 3, 3, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5, 1, 1, 8. Yad Guhyam Paramam Shruti. Yad Gudham Paramam Gati. Sushumna Marka Sancharini Uttishta Uttishta. From your toe to the top of your head, the entire body is relaxed. The Arohana upgrade meditation is taking you to a different level. Clear the exterior, I command. Clear the interior. Clear the pathway. Clear the target. Scroller Nook 66 activated. 9, 6, 6, 6, 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 9, 8, 9, 8, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 6, 7, 7, 8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 6, 9, 8, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 6, 6, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6. Clear the exterior. Clear the interior. Clear the pathway. Clear the target. Scroller Nook 66 activated. Allow it to penetrate into your body to make you an icon of freedom, joy, ecstasy of spirituality and love along with the harmony. Let all the enemies clear away. Let all the blockages clear away. Keep on inhaling. This is the voice of Keshara Mitra. Tripuravarananda, Gajatalata, Hayatalata, Simhatalata, Arudha Shakti Avahayami. Grani Surya Aditya Om, Grani Surya Aditya Purnanandaya Om. Keep on inhaling. Let layer by layer all the blockages clear, and may you be guided towards the highest spiritual ecstasy, and let your consciousness be awakened. Let all the negative energies become positive. Inhale and exhale. Let the procedure take care. Observe your third eye chakra between your eyebrows. Concentrate upon your center of the eyebrows and feel the beautiful small aperture opening and the bright light from Surya Narayana and the Sushumna Marga Sancharini penetrating bright light, liquid light into you. Let it go into every nook and corner. Om Aim Hreem Kleem Aim Atma Tattva Vidya Tattva Shiva Tattva Sarva Tattva Shodhaya Shodhaya Swaha Am Eem Om Chum Krum Ram Hreem Klum Kleem Aim Vam Vam Sham Sham Shum Shum Sam Sam Vardhayet 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 Vardhayet. Clear the exterior. Clear the interior. Clear the pathway. Clear the target. Scroller Nook 66 activated. Inhale and exhale. Clean. गर्भचित्रायै नमः। श्री कल्परुद्रायै नमः। श्री गुप्तनीलायै नमः। श्री मर्मचिन्मयायै नमः। एकत्वं विवेकत्वं अनेकत्वं निर्विकल्पं निराकारं प्राकारसञ्चलित वैभवं क्रियाङ्कुरम् अभयगजमुद्रानुसन्धानम् सूक्ष्मम् अतिसूक्ष्मं विस्मयम् महाकान्तिगोलम् अन्तर्मुखत्वरितचेतनम् निक्षिप्तशक्ति जागृतकारणम् तेजोमयं जयम् अतिमर्म भूषणालङ्कारम् सुस्थिरम् अनन्यसामान्य वृत्तम् सुषुम्ना मार्गसञ्चारिणी उत्तिष्ठ उत्तिष्ठ। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं आत्मतत्त्वविद्यातत्त्व शिवतत्त्व सर्वतत्त्व शोधय शोधय स्वाहा। आं ईं ऊं झूं क्रूं ह्रां ह्रीं क्लूं क्लीं ऐं वं वं शं शं शूं शूं सं सं वर्धयेत् वर्धयेत्। Visualize bright light going into every nook and corner of your body. Let all the pains vanish. Let all the clutter clear. Let all the confusions be blown away. Let love, unconditional zoolographic love, rule you. Let no one control you. You are your own boss. Faith answers. Keep on inhaling and do not disturb yourself. Go deeper and deeper and deeper and allow the alignment to happen and stay grounded. This is the most loaded energy showering upon you. Silence your mind and only do the breathing as you hear Keshara Mitra's voice. Ghruni Surya Aditya Om, Ghruni Surya Aditya Purnanandaya Om. Om Ram Hrim Raum Sahasuryaya Namah. Varadayam Dakshinagre Sriyayam Paschimagre Shandayam Uttaragre Saraswatim Purvagre Jagadhatrim Jnanamayi Buddhimayi Kriyamayi Shrimayi Karyamayi Shakambari Swarnamayi Dharmamayi Marmamayi Yogeshwarim Trim Bhogeshwarim Hrim Rajarajeshwarim Grim Nandaja Raktadantika Nandaja Raktadantika Chakradhari Vakrasamhari Hum Ram Sankalpamayi Mooladharastambhana Nirmoolanam Sham 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 Bandini Pradhame Badrini Dvitiye Ichuktani Rupani Tripure Tripuravaranandakilanam Shakti Chalanam Sutrapalanam Mahamayi Yashashvini Trutiya Chaturthayam Simhatalata Guru Pratyusha Piyusha Mudradharanam Katyayani Kalamayi Shuladhari Rama Lamboshthi Klim Krim Ram Hrim Brahmani Rasamaya Swadhisthana Chakrastambana Nirmoolanam ह्रीं स्वाहा स्वाधिष्ठानम् उत्कीलनं कुरु कुरु आरोहणं विशुद्धपीठे ॐ क्लूं ह्रूं ह्रीं स्वाहा यद्गुह्यं परमं श्रुते यद्गूढं परमं गते ॐ क्लूं ह्रूं ह्रीं स्वाहा पुंदिनी प्रथमे भद्रिणी द्वितीये इत्युक्तानि रूपाणि त्रिपुरे त्रिपुरवरानन्दकीलनं शक्तिचालनं सूत्रपालनम् ॐ क्लूं ह्रूं ह्रीं स्वाहा योगेश्वरीं क्लीं भोगेश्वरीं ह्रीं राजराजेश्वरीं क्लीं नन्दजारक्तदन्तिका चक्रधरी वक्रसंहारी ॐ ह्रां संकल्पमयी मूलाधारस्तम्भननिर्मूलनं शं 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 ॐ क्लूं ह्रूं ह्रीं स्वाहा ॐ क्लूं ह्रूं ह्रीं स्वाहा ॐ क्लूं ह्रूं ह्रीं स्वाहा स्वाधिष्ठानम् उत्कीलनं कुरु कुरु आरोहणं विशुद्धपीठे ॐ क्लूं ह्रूं ह्रीं स्वाहा ॐ क्लूं ह्रूं ह्रीं स्वाहा ॐ क्लूं ह्रूं ह्रीं स्वाहा यद्गुह्यं परमं श्रुते यद्गूढं परमं गते ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गर्भचित्रायै नमः ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कल्परुद्रायै नमः ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गर्भचित्रायै नमः ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कल्परुद्रायै नमः ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गर्भचित्रायै नमः ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कल्परुद्रायै नमः ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गर्भचित्रायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कल्परुद्रायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गर्भचित्रायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कल्परुद्रायै नमः। वरदायां दक्षिणाग्रे श्रियायां पश्चिमाग्रे षण्डायाम् उत्तराग्रे सरस्वतीं पूर्वाग्रे जगद्धात्रीं ज्ञानमयी बुद्धिमयी क्रियामयी श्रीमयी कार्यमयी शाकम्भरी स्वर्णमयी धर्ममयी मर्ममयी योगेश्वरीं क्लीं भोगेश्वरीं ह्रीं राजराजेश्वरीं क्रीं नंदजा रक्तदंतिका चक्रधरी वक्रसंहारी हूं ह्रां संकल्पमयी मूलाधार स्तंभन निर्मूलनम शं 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 बंदिनी प्रथमे भद्रिनी द्वितीये इच्छुक्तानि रूपानि त्रिपुरे त्रिपुरपरानन्दकीलनं शक्तिचालनं सूत्रपालनं। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गुप्तनीलायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं मर्मचिन्मयायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गुप्तनीलायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं मर्मचिन्मयायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गुप्तनीलायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं मर्मचिन्मयायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गुप्तनीलायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं मर्मचिन्मयायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गुप्तनीलायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं मर्मचिन्मयायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गुप्तनीलायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं मर्मचिन्मयायै नमः। महामयी यशस्विनी तृतीय चतुर्थायां सिंहतलाट गुरुप्रत्यूष पीयूष मुद्रधारणं कात्यायनी कालमयी शूलधरी रमालम्भोष्टी क्लीं क्रीं ह्रां ह्रीं ब्रह्मणि रसमयस्वादिष्ठानचक्रस्तम्भन निर्मूलनं निर्मूलनम्। एकत्वं विवेकत्वं अनेकत्वं निर्विकल्पं निराकारं प्राकार संचलित वैभवं क्रियाङ्कुरम् अभयगजमुद्रानुसन्धानं सूक्ष्मम् अतिसूक्ष्मं विस्मयं महाकान्तिगोलम् अन्तर्मुखत्वरितचेतनं निक्षिप्तशक्तिजागृतकारणं तेजोमयं जयम् अतिमर्मभूषणालङ्कारं सुस्थिरम् अनन्यसामान्यवृत्तम्। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं आत्मतत्व विद्यातत्व शिवतत्व सर्वतत्व शोधय शोधय स्वाहा। आं ईं ऊं झूं क्रूं ह्रां ह्रीं क्लूं क्लीं ऐं वं वं शं शं शूं शूं सं सं वर्धयेत् वर्धयेत्। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गर्भचित्रायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गर्भचित्रायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गर्भचित्रायै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कल्परुद्रायै 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 नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं गुप्तनीलायै 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 नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं मर्मचिन्मयायै 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 नमः। वरदायां दक्षिणाग्रे श्रियायां पश्चिमाग्रे षण्डायाम् उत्तराग्रे सरस्वतीं पूर्वाग्रे जगद्धात्रीं ज्ञानमयी बुद्धिमयी क्रियामयी श्रीमयी कार्यमयी शाकम्भरी स्वर्णमयी धर्ममयी मर्ममयी योगेश्वरीं क्लीं भोगेश्वरीं ह्रीं राजराजेश्वरीं क्रीं नन्दजा रक्तदन्तिका चक्रधरी वक्रसंहारी हूं ह्रां संकल्पमयी मूलाधारस्तम्भन निर्मूलनं शं 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 शं। एकत्वं विवेकत्वं अनेकत्वं निर्विकल्पं निराकारं प्राकार संचलित वैभवं क्रियाङ्कुरम् अभयगजमुद्रानुसन्धानं सूक्ष्मम् अतिसूक्ष्मं विस्मयं महाकान्तिगोळम् अन्तर्मुखत्वरितचेतना निक्षिप्तशक्ति जागृतकरारणं तेजोमयं जयम् अतिमर्मभूषणालङ्कारं सुस्थिरम् अनन्यसामान्यवृत्तम्। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं आत्मतत्व विद्यातत्व शिवतत्व सर्वतत्व शोधय शोधय स्वाहा। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं आत्मतत्व विद्यातत्व शिवतत्व सर्वतत्व शोधय शोधय स्वाहा। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं आत्मतत्व विद्यातत्व शिवतत्व सर्वतत्व शोधय शोधय स्वाहा। आं ईं ऊं झूं क्रूं ह्रां ह्रीं क्लूं क्लीं ऐं वं वं शं शं शूं शूं सं सं वर्धयेत् 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 वर्धयेत्। बंदिनी प्रथमे भद्रिणी द्वितीये इत्युक्तानि रूपाणि त्रिपुरे त्रिपुरवरानन्दकीलनं शक्तिचालनं सूत्रपालनं महामयी यशस्विनी तृतीयचतुर्थायां सिंहतलाट गुरुप्रत्यूष पीयूष मुद्रधारणं कात्यायिनी कालमयी शूलधरी रमालम्बोष्ठी क्लीं क्रीं ह्रां ह्रीं ब्रह्मणी ब्रह्माणी रसमय स्वादिष्ठान चक्रस्तंभन निर्मूलनम्। रविश्चते चंद्रमाश्चते तारकाश्चते भूश्चते जलञ्चते तेजश्चते वायुश्चते व्योमचते शब्दश्चते स्पर्शश्चते रूपं चते रसश्चते गन्धश्चते श्रोत्रं चते त्वक्चते चतुश्चते रसनाचते घ्रूणश्चते प्राणश्चते अपानश्चते व्यानश्चते उदानश्चते समानश्चते नागश्चते कूर्मश्चते कृकरश्चते देवदत्तश्चते धनञ्जयश्चते भूतात्मा चते आत्मा चते अंतरात्मा चते परमात्मा चते ज्ञानात्मा चते विद्यात्मा चते सर्वात्मा चते त्वय्येव चित्तं विनिवेश्यताम्। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं आत्मतत्व विद्यातत्व शिवतत्व सर्वतत्व शोधय शोधय स्वाहा। आं ईं ऊं झूं क्रूं ह्रां ह्रीं क्लूं क्लीं ऐं वं वं शं शं शूं शूं सं सं वर्धयेत् 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 वर्धयेत्। ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शान्तचित्ते विश्वव्याप्तं सत्यं करोमि विदितं सत्यं करोमि विदितं। ॐ रां ह्रीं क्रूं क्लीं ॐ वरवरदं वरदं 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 शान्तम्। उत्तिष्ठ 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 प्रज्ञानमुद्रां स्थापयन् प्रक्षालनमहं करिष्ये। गुरो भव गुरुदेवो भव देवाभ्यां पूर्णहितं 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 यान्तं लोककल्याणकारकम्।